Hi everyone, welcome back. In our last lesson, we met Buddy. Today, we are talking about why dogs are so special. For many people, a dog is more than just a pet. They are a source of emotional support. When I have a bad day or feel stressed, Buddy always knows. He sits by my side and helps me feel calm. In English, we say dogs provide unconditional love. This means they love you no matter what happens. Another reason dogs are important is that they keep us active. Because Buddy needs to exercise, I need to exercise too. We go for a long walk or a run every single day. This helps me maintain a healthy lifestyle. If I feel lazy, Buddy brings me his leash. He is like a personal trainer who never gives up. Having a dog encourages you to spend more time in nature and stay fit. Dogs also provide security. Even when I am asleep, I feel safe because I know Buddy is watching. Dogs have an amazing sense of hearing. They can hear sounds that humans cannot. Buddy alerts me if someone is at the door or if there is a strange noise outside. This gives me peace of mind, especially when I am home alone. He is my loyal protector. Let's review our new words. First, anxiety. This is a feeling of worry or nervousness. Dogs help reduce it. Second, alert. To be quick to notice something important or dangerous. And third, lifestyle. The way you live your life every day. A dog helps you have an active lifestyle. Finally, peace of mind means feeling safe and not worried. Do you feel safer when you are with an animal? Dogs really are amazing companions. They help our hearts, our bodies, and our safety. In our next episode, we will talk about a very important topic, the dog's diet. We will learn what Buddy eats and what foods are dangerous for him. Thank you for practicing your English with us today. See you next time. Bye-bye.